Hey there, Dobby back at you. Got another story for you. An electrician gets called to a suburban house because the homeowner's kitchen lights keep flickering and the outlets are acting weird. He shows up, does the usual, checks the panel, tests voltages. Everything looks fine at first. However, the homeowner is hovering, nervous, saying, "I swear it's possessed. Sometimes the lights dim when I turn on the toaster." Electrician traces it back to a junction box in the attic. He climbs up, pops the cover, and stares in disbelief. Inside the box, neatly twisted wires, all copper, properly capped, except one hot wire is connected to a metal coat hanger, bent into a hook, which is jammed straight into a wooden rafter like a makeshift ground rod. The other end of the hanger is dangling near a water pipe, occasionally touching it when the house settles. Homeowner had fixed the flickering issue months ago by grounding the circuit himself using a coat hanger as an improvised grounding wire. He read online that grounding was important, so he grabbed what was handy, stripped the wires, hooked them to the hanger, and stabbed it into the wood. He made contact with the earth through the house frame. The mishap: every time someone ran high-draw appliances, toaster, microwave, the tiny current through the wood hanger setup would arc or heat up just enough to cause voltage drops, hence the flickering. And the near miss with the water pipe, one good vibration away from turning the whole house into a shocking bathtub. Electrician trying not to laugh. "Sir, this is creative, but coat hangers aren't listed for grounding. They are more for shirts than shorts." Homeowner: "But it worked for a while. I saved $200 not calling you sooner." Electrician quietly removes the ground, fixes the real issue, loose neutral, explains why wood isn't a conductor you want to trust with 120 volts, and adds a new ground properly, bills the guy for the call plus a creative engineering consultation fee. Punchline: the electrician tells his buddy later, "I've seen some wild DIY fixes, but that was the first time I had to unhang a circuit." Moral: electricity doesn't care about your ingenuity, it just wants a proper path. And sometimes the real shock is how close you came to becoming a human light switch. Thanks for listening, guys, and putting up with my speech impediments and my Shatner-esque pauses. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.